Hello everyone, this is Mandar Zambotkar from Acme IT Solutions. We are into industrial IoT from quite a few years and have explored several aspects of industrial IoT. However, we have come across many questions where people think that is it really required? So many of you have considered the proposals, they understand the technology, the need of it, but think that it is not need of time. Why to invest into it? So the proposal is kept aside to get into action if and when required. But now, considering the pandemic, the severe impact that manufacturing industries have gone through, I think it's imperative for industries to understand that digital transformation is need of the time. It is mandatory and no more a choice or option to be thought of. I'll talk by examples. Many of you who are listening to me might be the ones who have raised your business right from scratch, or others might be the second generation into this business. What I want to emphasize upon is if it is possible for you to fetch out records from past 2 financial years for the overtime, yes, for the amount that you have paid for overtime. But there are two clauses when you filter this information. The overtime must have been done only when it has been realized at the latter stage of the production that we are not going to achieve the desired production by the planned date, and hence it was necessary to do overtime to achieve the dispatch date. And second thing is, if you can find the cause of missing the planned date. Here the aspect is that was it because there was machine breakdown and that's why the production could not happen, or was there shortage of manpower or shortage of raw material required? Whatever might be the causes, but it is important to understand the cause why overtime had to be done. So, considering the digital transformation that we are discussing now, digital transformation generates data for you. Currently, if you are working in a traditional way, then you will need to go through the papers, the job sheets and the stuff, or the data that is entered into SAP or ERP. Please mind it, ERP and SAP is not the digital transformation. That is a digital system to maintain your records. When we say digital transformation, the transformation happens from the ground level, the shop floor. So instead of finding through the hand-filled job sheets, what about if you can find on the system? You just select the period, the entire financial year, you find how many times the overtime had happened, if you can find how much payouts were given for the overtime, if you can find the breakdowns that has happened, if breakdowns get correlated with the overtimes that you have paid, you have all the data in front of you at a glance. Now, how this data will help you in planning further? The data will generate statistics for you. And why statistics are important? The basic thing is, whatever profits that you must have been making until now, whatever the percentage might be, just think of the overtime amount that has been paid off. What if you were able to preserve that amount in your accounts? wouldn't that have made a severe impact on the percentage of the profit ratio? It definitely will. So we are not discussing about you have not earned profits, or it is not going off, and that's why digital transformation. It is about identifying the loopholes in the existing system and blocking those loopholes. So you save on the cash flow, you preserve the cash. And for any digital transformation, it is usually a one-time investment or a small ongoing cost which is almost negligible to the amount that you save by doing this. We can discuss it in more detail in the coming series, but I thought to have an interaction with you all based on our experience of Industrial IoT, Industry 4.0, its correlation with the real shop floor issues that most of the manufacturing industries are facing. Then they can be daily operational issues, quality issues, data related issues where a plan for next year has to be set, many more. We can discuss it in this ongoing series, but if you like whatever information that I have passed on, do let me know. Whatever you did not like, any queries you might have, feel free to ask. Best wishes, and we will defeat pandemic for sure. Thank you.